तूने मुझे ₹1,00,000 गिफ्ट कब दिया? नहीं दे दूंगा. जो गिफ्ट वैल्यू से नहीं दिल से होता है. The theme for 2026 is mad investment on all fronts.
This is precisely how Jasmine generated a return of about 15% in 10 days in a stock.
I think setups is all a game of probabilities. Trading itself is a game of probabilities. But yes, this is a higher probability of working provided the market sentiment's good.
इसलिए क्यों कहते हैं कि वो बिजनेसमैन जो सबसे ज्यादा टाइट रहता है वो हमेशा फालतू खर्चे नहीं करता.
Teddy has been up to no good, and we're going and seeing what he's been up to. क्या किया था तूने? आजा Teddy. You shall be punished. Tad Virinder. We are seeing remnants. ये broccoli लग रही है मेनू. Hi guys.
सारे पौधे देख ले.
This is gobi.
वो गोभी है.
Teddy तूने क्या की थी Teddy?
गंदा बच्चा.
Oh god. वो फिर निकाल गए. Tada ganda. तो
नहीं पर पाठ कर रहे हैं.
we're having breakfast upstairs today, and that is the plan. Ooh, relaxing Sunday. Love it. अच्छा लग रहा है.
एक और
just uploaded that new YouTube video, and that's basically been happening. Want to go for a spa actually. Want to go for a massage to the hotel, but sisters don't want to go, and I don't want to go. Kalle.
मार्च में मैं अपनी शादी को जाऊंगी.
Anji, this is for you, darling.
भाई ने मुझसे ₹1,00,000 गिफ्ट में लिया.
तूने मुझे ₹1,00,000 गिफ्ट कब दिया?
जो तुझे मैंने 284 शिमला की ट्रिप में ट्रांसफर किए थे उसमें ₹1,00,000 तेरा बर्थडे गिफ्ट था हम दोनों की तरफ से.
हाँ, true.
और ये हमें 17,000 का गिफ्ट दे रहा है. ये कौन सा लॉजिक है?
तो मतलब तू जितने का देगी तू उतने का इससे
हाँ.
वापस लेगी. ये
If
क्या
you've given me
logic?
₹1,00,000,
वो छोटा है हमसे.
हाँ.
वो छोटा है हमसे.
मैं कभी
हमारा
2,00,000 भी
दादा
दे
देना
दूंगा.
बनता है उसको.
तू उसकी साइड तू दलबदलू मत बन.
नहीं मैं एक बात कह रही हूँ छोटा भाई है हमारा.
नहीं दे दूंगा. जो गिफ्ट वैल्यू से नहीं दिल से होता है. तू मांगेगी ₹1,00,000 तो ₹1,00,000 मिल
10
जाए.
लाख मांगू. मेरी पहली काटी और तू देगा मुझे.
But my thing for 2026 is whatever gift I give to anyone, whether it's a wedding gift
लंबी टांग.
or a birthday gift, it's gonna be something like an asset. There's
तू को बिठा ले.
the theme for 2026 is mad investment on all fronts. Less consumption, more investment. That's how we're going about it. Tada, ये क्या किया आपने? Tada, आप ये क्या कर रही हो Taj? Tada, Tada क्या करती थी तू? Yo, this has to be the greatest thing. चकोतरा. इसे इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? चकोतरा. इसका पेड़ भी था हमारे गार्डन में back in the day. But this is so good. Citrusy. Gotta try it. अब ये फार्म हाउस पे हमारे. This is so amazing, man. थोड़ा जा I think खट्टा होता है. But it is so good. Let's see. Taste test. Gaggu, tu kya kari thi? This pulao indeed looks magical. I eat pyaz with everything, bro. What are you talking? And this green chutney. Oh, that's unreal.
कुचुम्बर सलाद.
ये पुदीना घर का है बाहर का है? Very nice.
That day मम्मी मेड कुचुम्बर सलाद जिसमें एक साइड पे खीरा था, मूली थी and प्याज था. And उसमें से also Karan only managed to take प्याज. That's his everyday thing, and then he'll be like, केवल बे सलाद नहीं है आज. For him, salad is only onions, only प्याज.
This is precisely how Jasmine generated a return of about 15% in 10 days in a stock that is traded in the United States. And you can take advantage of this setup as well. Explain why you bought this setup and what were you really thinking?
So it showed a very strong up move, about 40%, and then there was a very shallow pullback, about 12%. And once it broke out from there, I thought it was worth to take a position in this stock.
So then any stock that moves up 40% and then pulls back 12%, can we trade that?
No, I think so. This stock was clearly in an uptrend, but every time it made a move, it would pull back by the same amount almost. It was like a choppy behavior, but the attitude of the stock changed, so it was worth noticing.
This is something very important. Whenever the behavior of a stock changes, you have to take notice and see if it qualifies in one of the high probability setups. If it does, then naturally you can trade it. Does this setup work each time?
It should, provided the market is healthy. So I think setups is all a game of probabilities. Trading itself is a game of probabilities. But yes, this is a higher probability of working, provided the market sentiment's good.
The market sentiment actually happens to be the most important thing. We have applied this particular setup to a lot of other stocks. We traded Tesla back in the day. We traded CDE on this setup as well. And now we've traded this particular stock as well. So I urge you to master this setup. A lot of videos out there. This is the Qualamagi strong mover concept. It is worth learning about. And if you can generate data and learn from that data, of course, it will be very helpful. So any other takeaway that you have that everyone can benefit from?
I think watch previous winners and you'll get a better idea of what works in the market.
Yeah, study like past 100, 200, 300, 400 winners and see if they displayed the strong mover setup. They pretty much did at some point in their stage twos. And there's much you learn from that.
So that video will go on Instagram. तो वो edit करता हूँ. Let's go for coffee.
Let's go.
आप भी चलो. चलो तैयार हो जाओ. We shall go for coffee. क्या बोलो?
I'll put my phone on charge.
ठीक है.
Mama को कोई पूछो?
Of course. Shall we? Looking like a different person.
So then any stock that moves up 40% and then pulls back 12%, can we trade that?
No, I think...
Okay, so we're just stepping out for a cup of coffee. And the video that we've just recorded is being edited for Instagram. I'll edit it right there. I've carried my AirPods. So it'll be good to head out with the fam. Mom is not joining. Mom is busy. Mom is resting. We are going. Oh, sure.
My gate full key.
The sun is shining.
एक्चुअली अर्निंग है हमारे पास, सब कुछ है.
Tension mत लो, it's fine.
अगर आप 30 साल के लो तो आप इंटरेस्ट 4 करोड़ 47 लाख.
You had to change places, but this is better.
क्योंकि खर्चा बेवकूफ तभी होता है जब आपके ऊपर कोई लायबिलिटी तो है नहीं. आप जाते आया 8 लाख रेवेन्यू खर्च करो यार. इसलिए क्यों कहते हैं कि वो बिजनेसमैन जो सबसे ज्यादा टाइट रहता है वो हमेशा फालतू खर्चे नहीं करता. और जो उसके ऊपर कर्ज नहीं है वो फालतू खर्च में ले जाता है. आपके ऊपर लायबिलिटी नहीं है. आप अभी रेस्टोरेंट के आपने 30,000 रुपये का बिल दे दिया तो आप पता क्या करोगे यार यही काम तो मैं 3,000 में निपटा सकती हूँ.
यही तो
All right, we are done, and we have spoken a lot of finance today. All right, this ends the day. देखो सी कॉफ़ी पी के आया पर मैं चाह ही पियांगा. जेडी तृष्णा है वो मिटी नहीं है हले. हम कॉफ़ी पी के आए बट जो दिल चाय से भरता है कॉफ़ी से नहीं भरता. बट अच्छा लगा जाके. All right, so that was pretty much our day. Sunday relaxed, not much work done. Rested the body as well. Went out for coffee with Bapu, had a chat, talked basically finances, and we're taking a home loan. We'll pay it off, etc., no problem. And thank you for joining. Don't want to jinx it, but we will be more regular with the vlogs, and yeah, we'll keep them coming. God bless everyone.